Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this session. It's actually the next session in which uh, previously work is being carried on. Means uh, we we introduced a combo box into the form, which comes as soon as the file is loaded, right? So the file load, the workbook open procedure is meant for this. If you see, so it opens the form, right? Right. It opens and the form that shows the form, right? And when the form is shown, the combo box is loaded, right? Because in the form initialize, we have introduced that as soon as it is showed, this combo box is populated with the file names, so that to indicate that to what point the user wants this rollback procedure to set. Means, for example, let's go to the form load initialize button. This is the form initialize, user form initialize button, right? So initialize procedure in which we first of all set an original code path, right, as a public variable, because and in the OC path, so we have this OC path also set as a public string variable, right? So so that we don't have to uh, write again and again the original part. Only once you have set a location, network location, a read-only location where you want this to be set. So you will use OC file, original code path. Okay, and then the file names are going to be uploaded. Right. So let's run it and to show you. Yeah, it loads all the time. So until here we have done it. Now when the user click this thing, right, and clicks the rollback button, right? So it should do what? It should do the same job which it has been doing, only it will stop on a certain position, and we will put a breakpoint here that in the form, yeah, we have as soon as it is going to write, yeah, this is location, is going to be changed, right? And we should use OC path here. Wherever we are using this for the original code path, so that no hard coding, right? So that is also going to be done. Anyway, it will be done. Okay, the next is we go to the form event, the form code. Yeah, this is the user form code is we have to go to the form code button, right? So go there, we will use the form. Yeah, we will go to the form and we will write. This is the command section which we have written until here, right? So first of all, it is going to uh, we, we have put the breakpoint, so you will be given the opportunity to see what is happening. Okay, so let's run it. So as soon as you select a given point to which you want to roll back, so click on it. So the first thing it does that whatever is the code position, it is exported that point. Now it is saying that where it is going to roll back to what position. So you have already selected that this is the file, and you have the OC path set already, original code, and in here you have a file that is the toolbar.txt, right? So this is going to be deleted because we are going to replace it. So before I'm copying it into the toolbar, so the text file, we want this file to be deleted. Why do we want to do this? Because our import is always one position at which and that is named as the destination file, that is toolbar. So we want this to be deleted first and recopied. It will be regenerated by copying the selected file, and the rest of the program will remain the same, right? So let's see what happens as soon as we do this. What happens, right? So we keep a watch on it, and we see that what does the program do, right? So this is our, okay, and this is the toolbar. This is going to be removed. First of all, let's press F8 here to go to this one, right? Okay. Now it is going to be removed. So the file is removed, you know. And next is it is regenerated with the using the original code. So it got recovered, right? So this time it is rolled back to a selected position, which was selected by the user. Okay. And now the rest of the program will remain unchanged because it is now setting up all these things, and that's right. Okay. So let's run it. So it has completed, and you will see that the module is imported and it has done. Okay. So this is the procedure. We left in our we did it in two parts. First part was to load the file, to load the versions what we have inside it. So in the fall, in the user form initialize procedure, we do these two things. First, set a public variable to the value of your target location. Okay, so it is done once for all, right? And wherever we use the OC path, original code path, right? And this is the file names auto load procedure, which picks up all the files and populate into the user form's combo box that is going to be uploaded. That is going to be what you say populated with the file names. The next is when this is selected and the user clicks the rollback, it does all these things. It exports whatever is the current position so that we do not lose anything in this. So it exports all the modules first onto the target location, and then we also do this job, and only the change would occur when we are going to recreate the toolbar, recreate the code from the toolbar text. So before doing this, we will remove the toolbar text and regenerate it using the OC path, using the selected combo box file name. So this is the procedure. This completes our way that it tells you how and means it tells you that it gives you the user, it gives the user the opportunity to select any point of time until when he wants the rollback. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this quiz, which is asking about what is the public variable. So which one of this is correct? Okay. By using the public or global, we can declare the variable that we can use for all the macros across the module, or the variable which we can use for loading the text files, or the variable which we can use for adding the items in the combo box, or it's an optional way to declare. So the right answer is this. Right. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So welcome to our next quiz here, which is talking about the replace function. Now, what is this function is doing? Replace, get further. So is it finding the text from the value of the expression, or it is removing .txt from the value expression of this? And yes, the right answer is here, the removing it. Right. Thank you very much.